right there, Latin 2. We are on page 107 because we're going to look at the glossary for review 8G, the Trojan horse. So take a look at 107. Here we go. It's a short glossary because you've already learned a bunch of words. Annus Anni. Now, this means year, okay? This has two N's in it, not one. One N would mean ring, okay? Two N's means year. Okay, so be careful because there's a big difference between annual and ring-like. Anniversary, annual, perennial, millennial, all those. Concilium capere. We got this all the way back, I think, in review 1. To seize a plan, okay, to form a plan. Ligneus aum. This is clearly a Greek word, but it means wooden, made of wood. Just like we saw lapideus aum, which made of stone. Kaides kaidis. This means slaughter. Spelling matters. If you leave off the S, it's a very different thing. But slaughter is a really wicked, terrible version of killing people. That's why there's a Darth Kaides in the old books. Obsideo, obsidere, obsedi, obsessum. We've seen that so many times because half the stories start with the siege of Troy. Cupio, cupra, cupivi, cupitum. This is to desire. This is cupido comes from this. Cupid. Okay. Deleo, delere, delevi, deletum. To destroy is where we get delete from. Okay. So I want you all to go ahead and do review. Here we go. Review 8B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. Really, really easy. Okay. So B is that chart. Piece of cake. C is a shorter chart. D is a slightly longer chart. E and F, okay, is E is to make a passive version of D, and then F is to make imperatives of D. So you're just adding on. Okay, so E will be the same length as D, and then F will be like 2 words. So that's all. Okay, I'm gonna hit the button.